Hey guys, so today we will be making a really cute ornament. What you will need, I'm using the mini Bodabra. This is an ornament that I actually purchased at Dollar Tree. And this is a pretty large one, but they also have the option of 2 smaller ones. So you just choose whichever size you prefer. But I have the large one. I have these really cute decorative glitter balls. So pretty. I have bow wire, a nice amount, and then you will need ribbon. So this really pretty sheer gold ribbon, so gorgeous, 1 inch in width, and the piece is 11 inches long, and I have 3 pieces. And I have this 5/8 inch width ribbon that's gold trimmed, and it's 5/8 inches in width, and it's 9 inches long. If you want a larger bow, you can make the pieces longer. A smaller bow will make the pieces shorter. I do have a cute little bell that I may add on in the end. Look at how gorgeous the ribbon is. So this ribbon actually came from a company called La Ribbon. Very pretty. Scissors and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to take my mini Bodabra, have my bow wire, I have it folded in half. Place it down in the center, and I'm going to take the 1 inch width ribbon. I want to take the wider ribbon first, and I'm turning it over. As you can see, this is the right side of the ribbon, this is the wrong side. I'm turning over to the wrong side, and I'm going to scrunch. So I fold it in half, bring the front and the back up just like that, and place it down. And you're just going to make a loop and do the exact same thing. So scrunch, front and back, come up and place it down. Just like that. Then I'm just going to estimate the center, scrunch it again, and place it down. You can definitely measure to find the exact center, but it's not that big of a deal, so I just estimate. I'm going to do this step 2 more times. Alright, so be sure to use your wand to help squish everything together. And then you can also adjust it while you have the wand in place. That's the safest time to adjust anything. So cute and adorable. You could honestly finish here if you'd like, but I'm just going to add the other ribbon. But this looks so cute. So I'm going to do the exact same steps with the 5/8 inch width ribbon. I'm actually going to cut one of the pieces, so I have 4 pieces. I'm actually going to cut this one in half. And I'm going to ribbon cut the end, so I'm going to fold it in half, open ends at the bottom, fold at the top, and cut at a diagonal. Sometimes once you start, you see a way that you think looks even cuter, so I say definitely go for it. I have the piece that I cut in half. I'm just going to scrunch it, and it is a little more difficult. The skinnier the ribbon is, the more difficult it is to scrunch, but just work with it. Just like that. There we go, and then I'm just adjusting Making sure everything is exactly where I want it. Again, with the wand in place, you have more leeway to move things around a bit. So cute and adorable. So you're just going to take your bow wire, the two openings inside of the loop. I like to hold my bow in place and give it a nice tug. Just like that. Just going to tie it in a knot a couple of times, just to make sure it's nice and secure. So you can definitely add whatever you'd like to the bow. Just have fun with it and make it your own. I'm gonna bring the bow wire to the front one more time, and I'm going to add this cute little bell. And it has a place where you can thread the wire through. And if if the edges have become frayed, like that, just cut it. You can easily glide through, just like that. There it is. And I'm just going to tie it once more at the back just to secure the bell in place. Since we have our bow, now we can place it on our ornament. But before we do that, we are going to fill the ornament with the decorative styrofoam balls. Now you could definitely fill this with whatever you'd like, even if you want to place a picture in here or something sentimental or even candy, whatever you'd like. Now you're just going to pull the top loose like that. So see, now we can fill the center. Even with glitter, ooh, confetti glitter, that would be so cute. Alright, so we're just going to open our styrofoam balls. Oh, you guys, look at how gorgeous these are. And be very careful. Just going to... Oh no! If you have like a funnel, you can definitely use that to help you. Let's see if I can. Alright, so that's what it's looking like. I'm going to gather up the styrofoam balls that missed the ornament. So I'm just going to gather them all up and place them in there. So it may be easier for you to pour them into your hand or into like some rolled up paper or something first, but that's alright. Look at how cute that is. That's so cute. And so this was a full bag. You could definitely use 2 bags if you want to fill this ornament completely, but also don't forget, if you're going to use a smaller ornament, this one bag will definitely fill a small ornament. Or 2 bags for the larger ornament. But I still think this looks cute because it gives it space to kind of like move around and be fun. Alright, so we're going to place the top back on. So you're just going to squeeze the 2 sides together. Just like that. So cute. It's so fun. We have our ornament. And then I have this adorable bow. And remember I said I kept the bow wire kind of long on the back since I knew I was going to attach it to something. So you have several options. You can tie it around the wider neck of the ornament. You can tie it through the hoop of the ornament, or you can cut the bow wire, and just glue it to the front of the ornament. I think I'm going to tie it to the wide neck since I have my bow wire still attached. Alright, so I've tied the bow wire to the back of the ornament a couple of times. I'm just going to cut off the excess. Take my hot glue gun and just put a small amount of hot glue just for extra reinforcement. Just like that. This is what the front is looking like. So cute and adorable. Last thing we're going to do, take another piece of bow wire, or you can even, you can buy like 100 pack of ornament hooks from Dollar Tree. But since I don't have any, I'm just going to take another piece of bow wire, tie in a knot, or a couple of knots. And this is going to serve as my ornament hook. But again, you can buy the metal ornament hooks from Dollar Tree. And you are all done. You are ready to put this gorgeous ornament on your Christmas tree. Again, the ornament itself came from Dollar Tree. The decorative balls came from Dollar Tree. You can buy an entire pack of bells from Dollar Tree. And they also even have ribbon. So this entire ornament can be made with items purchased at Dollar Tree. That is so awesome. And it looks so cute and elegant. Simple, easy to do. You can modify the colors, the style, whatever you like.